Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming WordPress core and PHP meet the theme requirements, and you back up the site. Next, install the base theme you'll borrow styles from, then create and upload a child theme directory with style. CSS and functions. PHP. Once done, activate that child theme so you have a safe layer to modify. This approach preserves updates for the base theme, while letting you safely add customizations specific to the secondary appearance you'll deploy. You now install a trustworthy theme switching plugin or implement custom code that detects page templates or query vars. Configure rules to assign theme A to primary pages and theme B to specific pages, templates, or user roles. Make sure the plugin supports stylesheet and template overrides. Once configured, navigate several pages to confirm header, footer, and widget areas load correctly. Make adjustments to enqueue styles in the child theme so assets don't conflict, and retest across mobile and desktop views. Finish by clearing all caches and ensuring concatenated CSS and JS files regenerate so both themes' assets load properly. Test critical user flows, sign-in, and mobile navigation to confirm the correct theme appears where intended. If you see layout breakage, disable caching, then temporarily deactivate plugins to isolate conflicts. Use browser dev tools to find 404s or script errors. If switching logic fails, review plugin rules or your functions. PHP priority. Make sure conditions run before template loading occurs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.